Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you the book that we've been talking about in several homeschooling videos so far, and it is Myths of Education, Truths That Will Set You Free by Margie Abbott. This is the book I've been telling you guys that we had a small part in helping her to complete some last minute things that she needed to do for the book. And we also made some videos reviewing some of the products that she talked about in this book. So she gave us almost a whole page in the back of the book with references to our YouTube channel. And the reason why I really loved this book was she was a mentor to me when I was at a point in my homeschooling life when I was struggling and I was wanting to homeschool a different way, but was being told by so many people, no, that's not possible. And she was the first person to listen to me and say, yes, it is possible, and here's how you do it. And she took all of the advice that she gave to us to help me get to where I am, and now we are co-working together to help counsel and support other homeschool moms. And she took all of those advice and turned them into myths and facts and how those things are actually shown, and turned it into a book that is available on Amazon to purchase right now. I told you guys I would try to do a video as soon as it was ready. It is ready. So the affiliate link will give us a little bit of money in return on the video for making this video, and then the sales of the book itself after the affiliate link goes to Margie for making this book. And like I said, the reason why I haven't been able to finish the whole book yet because it's VBS week, hence the headband over the braids from last night. But the reason why I am such a big supporter of this book is, number one, Margie is a super sweet former homeschool mom of 30 years of homeschooling her 6 children, ranging from like borderline advanced placement to she had one that was like dyslexic. So she's had almost the full spectrum of types of students that you would have in homeschooling, and she was the first person to really just sit down and schedule 30 minutes uninterrupted to talk with me. I think we ended up talking for actually almost an hour, and we just talked about what my passion was with homeschooling, how I wanted to help other moms, and how I wanted to reach out. So her book is for sale for now. It is on Amazon. Like I said, links will be up here, links will be down there. We both get some profit from the book if you purchase it through my affiliate link. If you don't want to purchase it through the affiliate link, just go on Amazon and Google it. And then she also has a new, like I said, a new YouTube channel called Set Free to Homeschool. And it's where she will be going on there and talking about some of the things in the book. And then she'll be breaking down some of the truths and myths about homeschooling that a lot of people believe, and how you don't have to just do whatever somebody else says. If you have a passion to homeschool your kids a certain way, and you know the way that your kids need to learn, and you just need some encouragement along the way, I highly encourage you to go check out her channel, and I also encourage you to check out her book. I will probably be doing more talking with her later, and the goal is for us to be doing videos for each other's channel where she'll be interviewing me as a travel schooling mom, and I will be interviewing her about her teaching techniques and how she learned these things over the years, which she also covers that in the book as well. But that's it, you guys. I told you I would let you know as soon as it was out. It is live. Go down there and go purchase that book.